Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bear. So let's not wait any longer and let's get to the table. For this video, we're going to go ahead and use the following items. You're going to need 2 of these big balls. You can find them at the Dollar Tree. They cost me $1 each. And these are smaller. So it was 2 for $1. Okay. So the 2 of these, and then we're going to use for the legs and the hands, these ones here. They're slightly bigger. And these ones here, 2 for the ears. So that's what we're going to be using. You're also going to use fabric glue, and I'm going to be putting links of the stuff that I purchased in the description box. You also need, I usually have 1 or 2 pairs of scissors, any kind of ribbon that you may want to use. This is going to be for a boy. And a glue gun. You may use it, you may not use it. So that's basically all you need, and of course your fabric. This is 100% polyester, and I like it because it stretches a little bit, so it's easier to hug the balls. And basically to cut them, you don't need to have a size. You just grab your ball, and if you can see here, you don't have to put glue at the beginning because it gets attached right away. So you just kind of hold it this way, just like that, and then you cut. Okay, this polyester little blanket, it was also I mean, it's now $1.25, but it's $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. And then you can also go to Walmart. That's what I intend to do in the following videos once I get more orders. And I think you can get it at a very reasonable price. So then you go ahead and cut all your little balls. Just like so. So I have 1 and I need 4. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold this thing so that I can get my 4. Just like that. I think that's good enough. So I can get my, just like that. And it's easier to cut them. They don't have to be perfect. You don't need to worry about that. So here I have 4 of those. And then I need 2 of the little ones. Okay, here we have all of them right here. So now we're going to go ahead and start with the first one. And I have my glue in this little cup upside down because I'm to the last of it. And so I like to keep it that way so that the glue flows a little better. So what you're going to do, you're just going to grab your fabric and you're going to start pulling it. And you don't really need any glue in the bottom part. Okay, so pull just like that. So when you get here to the top, right there, you're going to go ahead and add glue all the way on the top. Just like that. You put enough glue. Okay, there it is. So now you're going to start bringing everything in. See that? And whichever side that you can, any side that you can pull it up with where it stretches, go ahead and do it. Okay, so there we go. Okay, So now here we're gonna go ahead and start cutting. I've been using my scissors a lot, so I think they're kind of a little dirty with the glue. So you're just gonna start cutting. Okay. And at the end, we're gonna go ahead and grab, put a little more glue. For right now, we're just trimming like that. Okay, so far this is almost done. So right in here, you kind of put it together. You're bringing everything down. And you're just gonna go ahead and add a little more glue just to close all these areas. Just like that. So we're gonna go here. Just kind of close it here. Just put a little more of the glue to cover everything. I think I want to cut a little more here. Just like that. Yeah, looks better. Okay, so there you go. One is already done. So it's no big deal. I mean, it's not. Okay, so there you go. You have one here. And then you do the same way, all of them. So let's go ahead and finish them and see you back. I am done wrapping them all in the fabric. So this is how they look. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start putting everything together. And this is the easiest part. Okay, I have my hot glue already. I didn't want to use the fabric one because I will have to hold it for a while in place. So I'd rather just go ahead and use my hot glue. So you're just gonna add your glue to it. And bring it together right where you did all the pulling. Okay, so just hold it there in place for a second. Here we go. So now we're going to go ahead and put the ears. Here we go. So that's the other one. There you go. So now you hold them both together. So there you go, you have your ears. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and do the little arms, the hands. So I'm gonna put the glue here so that I put them evenly. Oh, so we're just gonna go like right in the same spot. Okay, so we have the hands already. I need to put a little more glue on this side. Here you go. And kind of just clean it up so that it doesn't show the glue. So here we go. We have the two hands right there. So now to go ahead and do the little legs or the feet, however you want to call them. We need to put this against something. And what we need to do, because we want to be able to have the bear sitting up, we need to put them in such a way so they stands up. Okay, so that's going to be a little, just make sure you know, take your time doing this one, okay? So we're going to go ahead and put it right there. So here's the other one. So we're just going to go ahead and go just like right there so that it stays sitting up. So if I move this away, your bear is sitting up. And there you go. Here it is. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and make a bow that is going to decorate it, but it's also going to cover the imperfections. I'm going to use this blue, so I'm going to make a small bow. And also I have a video where it shows you how to make different bows if you like. I'm going to put a link right above. So I did 3 loops in each side. So now I'm cutting. And then I'm going to get the whole thing here. And I'm going to wrap it up and tie it. Just like that. Then I'm going to fluff them all up. Here's a picture of one. Here's a picture of one that I made for a girl, and I personalized it. You can also, because this is 100% polyester, you can do sublimation, or you can do transfer image with the transfer paper. And I also have a video that tells the difference between sublimation and transfer paper. I'm going to put the link also so that you can see it if you want to. So at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and put it a little bit on the side to go sideways. And I'm going to bring it right around and wrap it. And bring it back around to the front. And I'm going to tie it here 2 times. Just like that. And we're going to go ahead and fluff it up. And there you go. And there you go. I hope you like it. For now, that's all for me, you guys. The Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.